Welcome back to my channel, guys. So this is a wig I got from Shein. Purchased this wig the other day. I just wanted a short pixie wig for the holiday, so this was the final look. It was a really fast install, so I'm gonna show you what I did. I didn't glue the lace all the way down because I just was in a rush, so stay tuned. The lace is 13 by 1 inches, so it's all the way from ear to ear, but it's 1 inch combing splits. So I got 2 combs, one on each side and 1 comb in the back, and the strap you can use to adjust it. So this is how I'm going to try my best to work with the wig. I was in a hurry, so I couldn't spend much time as I wanted installing it, so I just wanted to do a quick video just to show you the result. So I was trying to apply the glue as small amount as I can because I didn't want it to look white. So I was applying it little by little, trying my best because I didn't have much lighting where I was, so it was a bit hard to see, and using my phone to record at the same time. So I was sitting in front of a dresser and trying to apply the glue. I think I only applied 1 coat. I don't remember, but I think 1 coat was enough. I had to glue the lace part by part because it was really hot in the house, and I didn't want it to mess up because I know I was in a rush. So I was trying my best to glue the wig part by part, and I didn't want it to just tie it down so fast, so I was just taking my time. I like using this curl activator to wet my curly wigs because it gives it really good moisture and shine at the same time for a long period of time. So I like using it whenever I'm wearing a curly wig. Just damp it a little bit. But the wig was nice, it's soft, and I wasn't really getting any shedding. I liked the result, just that I didn't have the time to style it as much. But for the price, it's a really good buy, and I actually would shop from that vendor again on Shein. So this is the final look. Please give me a thumbs up, comment what do you think about shopping on Shein, buying wigs. Go ahead and hit the like button, give me a subscribe to my channel for new upcoming videos. Click on the notification bell so you can see when I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what your experience is shopping on Shein.